Oh, man. Holy crap. That's huge. That's huge. Okay. Whew. Got a new RC vehicle. New RC vehicle. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This will be adding to my small garage. Oh, look at this. Oh, $dollarhobbies.com. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Monster Jam, ready to run. Monster Jam. Okay, yeah. Pull that back a little ways. Undo the back side real quick. Reduce vacuum pressure. There we go. Okay. Now we go like this. Oh yeah. There's that. Huge. It's huge. It's the hugest box. The most perfect box. Oh, let's get this thing open. Wait a second. There. Some kind of tape. Milk tape. Might take both ends. Odd. Got two of those on there. Huh. Hope it's a new one, not a return thing. Okay. Oh yeah, it's brand new. Brand new. Get that new vehicle smell. Oh yeah. Doing a whole bunch of upgrades. Lots of them. Well, not a lot, but a few. A few. Upper and lower control arms. 7075 aluminum from T-Reel or T-Reel. I'm not sure which size yet. And then I've got enough travel limiting straps for the shocks at 100 millimeter and 110 millimeter. I'll figure out where to mount them up. Got the T-Reel 7075 aluminum steering knuckles, whatever you may want to call them. Hub carriers. Body buttons just for replacements. Got some green slime, shock absorber grease. I'm going to repack the C, what they call them, X-rings, down there at the bottom of the shocks. Hopefully prevent them from leaking a little bit better. I haven't used it yet, it's brand new. Not been taken out yet. Got a whole bunch of, I got a big list of stuff I'm going to be doing. So, this is it. Starting right now. Okay. Still pointed in the right direction. Take the body off first. First thing, one more, two more here, three more. Before I do that though, I'm gonna have to clip these so that I don't rip them apart. So it's gonna be repositioned anyways. It's, I don't want it to unplug from the battery eliminator circuit when I open the body up to do anything. Eventually, it's going to fail and break the wire or the plug, and it'll always be at the worst time. Okay, now, and there's that. In case anybody's wondering, in my opinion, this is definitely a 1/10 scale vehicle. When you look at the stats, it's a 15-inch wheelbase. The real Gravedigger's a 15-foot wheelbase. The real Gravedigger's tires are 64 or 66 inches. These are 6.4. You know, upscale them 10 times, 64 inch. It's a 1/10 scale body as well, because this is my 1/10 scale TRX4 camper shell body, and it fits perfect except for the wheelbase is, you know, short. But that's the way all monster trucks are when you look at them. The rear wheel well is cut way back always, because that's just the way they are. So this is a 1/10 scale body. I think most trucks are going to fit it. That was just quick body off, and there's that right there. Next thing I'm going to do is take this off and this out, so I can. Let me just do that. It's probably not even the right size. Okay, and first I'm going to take off this dang. Right here. Probably the wrong size. This I wanted to prove. This right here, it's a 7-inch figure, so it's 1/10 scale, so it'd be 70-inch tall, 5'10". And when you compare those two, are identical. So this is definitely 1/10 scale. Eventually it'll go somewhere in there. Yeah. If that's not 1/10 scale, then I don't know what is. Absolutely 1/10. Yep. Alright, well, that means all I gotta do is make a seat for him, and a dashboard and steering wheel. And he will be like that. Somewhere like that. Yep. Alrighty, well, that's that then. And I'll take this off next. Take the cage off. Let's see. Oh man. That's in there pretty good. Alright, that should come off. Oh, and the seat. If I even have, we'll see. I mean, it's not going to be much need of a seat. But we'll make something, probably. Anyways, I've got some sheet aluminum for that. And for now, I'm going to see, I got that off. So the next thing, I'll take the tires off. In fact, you know, I'm going to take the tires off now. No sense in waiting. Okay. Quick tire removal done. Starting. There's a big. Okay, that's one. Yeah. All right. Okay. That is that for now. That's back, front. A little camera already mounted there to test it out. There we go. Front, back. All right. That's it for now. Next is going to be, I'm going to remove the shocks and replace the 4-link bars and rebuild the shocks after that. And that's about it. We'll see. So tomorrow, then take these also, the lockout parts here on the end of the axle. I'm going to take those off and replace them with the, they have replacement ones that have like a 1 degree of toe in. And then they have other ones here that have like a -1 caster. I'm going to be installing those to give it a little more straight line stability. Other than that should be about it. All right, later.